Alright guys, we're back down at area 7. So tonight we're gonna have we're gonna steak. I've had steak in about 3 weeks, maybe 4. Bit of potato, onions and some garlic. I'm gonna start cooking it now. Messy. Water. I think that's enough. Hopefully I got enough. Some potatoes. A whole garlic clove. Love it. Oh, lovely garlic. These are the steaks. Let's get down. Come on. Get down. Little olive oil. I just go by which one smells it. Jeez. That was a bit close. Well, I chopped that on the nail. These actually steaks aren't bad for the price. That's about £6. Yeah. Back home that would be like a wee pancake. Old trusty Red Bull. Let me know when the potato had a blow on there. You know when the potatoes are ready?
Yeah,
well.
well.
I don't mean like when they're ready, but like when I get like maybe another 10 minutes. So as you can see, that's the van's wee setup. I've been cooking inside too windy. What else will I do? If it's not too windy, I don't know. I'll cook the steaks here though. So we'll cook the steaks here. Cook the potatoes on the inside. Chopping the onions and the garlic like here, like you saw me, and the steaks. Hey guys, right? Bought myself a ridge monkey. Ridge monkey. Alright, got this now. What? March, beginning of March, February. No, I'd say February of this year. Right? I've used it on load occasions on these trips in March and this trip here in case it happens. The wee pins that are on both sides fell off, so now it's junk, but I still use it like, but still it's junk. So much for ridge monkeys. I had to bring the awning in there. It was getting a bit breezy, so I don't want the thing taken off and cost me a fortune to replace. Alright, so that's what I gotta do. All the Frenchies are next door, having a wee party, and we're having a wee party with a bottle of olive oil. Where we get this olive oil? Little's?
I think so.
Yeah, Little's special olive oil. That's the steaks. That's the steaks just flipped over there, looking good. Another 2 minutes. I'm gonna sit down and eating this because I am starving. Garlic, butter, and olive oil. Over top of the potatoes. Oh, and onions. Didn't want to go too cook too much for you. So guys, something terrible to say here. That dinner was terrible. Check out my plates. Empty. Check out where the potatoes were. Empty. So anyway, actually the best steak I've had a long time. Garlic and onions, great. So guys, time for a bit of coffee. Well, like I said, we're up in El Capello, and we're going to stay here. Today's Wednesday. We're going to stay here for 3 nights. Take it easy. Because Missy, my Chihuahua, is got to go to the vets on Saturday. She gets her pill for worming for a pet passport to get back for next week. Another week to go though, but it's 5 days. You gotta get done before we go, or 24 hours. I get it then. Do it Saturday, so it's 4 days. Anyway. I had some stuff on footage of camping out, wild camping, that kind of stuff. Lost it. We were woken up at 2 o'clock in the morning by some kids doing burnouts on the beach and blowing the horns. Woke us up. Didn't feel a bit at ease because I couldn't have barred with something banging on the side of the van and had to kick her ass. So I couldn't have barred with that. So got the van going and head off to the nearest park for the night in a wee quiet car park. Stayed there for the night. Quiet night. Went back to the beach, stayed there, had something to eat, and then decided out of hell with and took off. Anyway, we're in El Capello right now. Gonna stay here, like I said, till Saturday. Still got plenty to do, and just trying to keep up to date with things. So, anyway, guys, I think that's about it. I still got a few more videos to bring out. Try and keep them. It's kind of like. I just want to get it going. Anyway guys, I will see yous tomorrow.